Hello, today I'm going to go over starfall.com. It is an educational website for students pre-K to third grade. I will begin by going and clicking on the Parent Teacher Center. I will then go to using starfall.com. I will go to Start with the Basics. This page gives us a great overview of the website. It's a great way to start off to check out the basics that your kid may already know or need to work on. These apps are also available on a mobile app. There's also a guide to using Starfall as well. Starfall also comes with a complete curriculum section for pre-K, kindergarten, English, and math. I'll just click on this one. So this has a complete overview of the kindergarten English language arts with science and social studies section. It goes through how to start off with the curriculum, strategies. It then goes through the different sections such as vocab, writing, fluency, comprehension, and so on. It also gives you a lesson format, easy to follow. This will help from day to day. That way you're not having to struggle to pick out activities for the day. So this is a great resource just to get you in order, get the class in order, and make it a lot more easier to follow. I will then go to lesson plans and assignments. They have a pre-K guide, kindergarten math and English guide, and also a website where you can line up the guide to the resources on the website. So I'm going to check out the kindergarten English language page. They give you a teacher's guide, and then they will go to and give you the alignments. Once you're on the alignments page, you can click on your state. When you go to this page, it'll show you the state standards that are needed for you to go by for your individual state. So these are the reading foundations for the state of Indiana. They go through and give you the alignment for the standards and to the Starfall alignment standards. So that way you know you're giving your students the proper curriculum that they need. I will now go to the website alignments page. I will check first grade. So here are your Common Core standards for math and English. I'm going to check out the English standards. So this could be used as a great checklist to print off or to keep for the teacher's record. That way when they are going through the lessons, they can check off what the student has gone through. So when I click on Folktales, it will take me directly to the Folktales. And that way we can start reading from each page. Another great resource and the Parent Teacher Center are their free resources. So this whole page has free practice sheets. You can print out posters and phonics words and everything. Just a great tool for teachers. I will now go back to starfall.com. And a great thing to look for when you're looking for a website for students, and if you're working with students with disabilities, is an accessibility page. And this page emphasizes the development of kids with special education and kids who are just needing regular education tools as well. So I will click on the accessibility page. This is a great page to look for because it'll show if there are accommodations for students. This page shows that it does have closed captioning. It does have a way for caption size and the speed of the video. For our students who have physical disabilities, there is a way that you can tap to navigate on the keyboard. You can also attach a dual switch device. This page just has other great resources to show how to use the keyboard. That way, if the student can't use the mouse or the touch screen, this is available to them. If you have a certain type of computer, you can do a screen reader. There's also transcripts and visual descriptions available for individuals with hearing impairment and visual impairment. I will just click on one of these. This is the accessible page for children for the students who need extra support. I'll click on Motion Songs, Little Miss Muffet. We click on it, we hear it, and we see the captions. We can also turn the captions, keep the captions on and turn the sound off if it is too loud or distracting for the student to hear the loud noise. Over here, we can do the playback rate, and we can also turn the captions on or off. These pages are very easy and accessible. They have great icons to show us where to go, as to stop, go back, and so on. I will then go to the main Starfall website and click on kindergarten. I will show you how they are laid out. So this is the free version. So you don't get everything, but if you want to get all the content, you can join with a membership. So what's great about this is it is verbal and auditory, but you can also pause it, put it on mute, and then play. And then it will let you know how much the individual person has by a visual number. So this is good for kids that are easily distracted by sound, or if it keeps them distracted. I will then go back and try a numbers game. These are great because they're very easy to use. Very simple for the students to follow. And what's great about grades 1, 2, and 3 is when you go and do your assignment, it is very visual. It has verbal cues and everything as well. And what's also great about most of the games is there'll be a set number of items in the corner to let you know how many questions you need to answer and so on. For example, when I go to this fraction page, I'll go ahead and hit the go arrow. I do have the sound off right now, but it is giving a visual prompt to let you know what you need to add. So I will click 2.8, 2 over 8. And it lets me know in this corner that I only need to answer 3 questions. That way it doesn't get frustrating for the student. So overall, I really enjoy using Starfall. You can upgrade it if you want to be able to use it more for a classroom or for a school, but the free access does give you a lot of information as well. So hopefully you've enjoyed my review of Starfall, and hopefully you'll check it out soon.